Making a dirty chai latte is a lot like stepping out of your comfort zone. You start with the familiar, the comforting chai, but then you add something new. Coffee! And just like that, your comfort zone is expanded. But sometimes taking risks doesn't go as planned. Like that first batch that got burned. It's a reminder that imperfection is a part of the process. It's okay to make mistakes, because it's in those moments of imperfection that we learn and we grow. So the next time you're feeling hesitant to try something new, remember the dirty chai latte. Embrace the unknown. Embrace the risks. And what if it all works out?